Escherichia coli, E. coli. Tiny noodle-shaped roommate living rent-free inside billions of stomachs. Salmonella, the microscopic food critic nobody wants reviewing their chicken. Lactobacillus, the friendly yogurt bacteria working overtime for your stomach. Streptococcus, tiny glowing beads forming the universe's weirdest bacterial necklace. Staphylococcus aureus, looks like golden alien grapes with terrible intentions. Bacillus subtilis, a microscopic survival expert built like a tiny biological tank. Clostridium botulinum, tiny danger noodle carrying one of nature's scariest cheat codes. Helicobacter pylori, the spicy stomach villain nobody invited to dinner. Vibrio cholera, a comma-shaped aquatic troublemaker surfing through microscopic chaos. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, ancient bacterial boss battle humanity has fought for centuries. Deinococcus radiodurans, the indestructible bacteria that treats radiation like a warm shower. Cyanobacteria, the tiny ocean legends that helped fill Earth with oxygen.